My name is Teemu, and this is my channel, Work and Life in Finland. I have a WhatsApp channel where people can send me messages and ask about job searching in Finland, how to create a good CVs. This advice will work on any country, not just on Finland. And today, when I was sliding the hill with kids, I got the message that, hey, what kind of template I should use? And here comes my shortcut. I answer to the person that, hey, don't worry, I'll create a video just to show you very quickly how you can create your CV without using any kind of templates. So let's start and change the screen. Here we have a Google Docs. I put the main parts of your CV. Of course, they can change a bit. It depends what you are applying, what's your background, how much information you have. But basically, you always need to have a header. There you have your personal details, you have your location. Pay attention, it's a location. You don't need an address. Just add a city there. Let them know that, hey, you're in the same area. And then a tip which many people misses. LinkedIn profile should be mentioned there if you have one. And then something which really will make you to stand out. If you have a portfolio, add a link there. Show your work that they can actually see you in action. And if you don't have a portfolio online, now it's time to create one. After contact information, you will get professional summary. There, you will tell in a friendly way about your background and why you would be a good fit for the company. To be a good fit, you also need to mention that, hey, my title is this and this. You will tell them that, hey, you are right person for them. And that title should be exact match with the job you are applying for. Then you have core skills, then comes work experience, education, certificates, and languages. And that's it. That's the core for it. Let's have a little example to show how it works in a real life. I got an email for a while ago from a guy who was looking for the work. He sent me a really long email with a lot of text, and I was gobsmacked that hey, you can't apply with that kind of wall of text work. And I offered that hey, I can edit the CV for you. It will take a couple of minutes, and I did. This is in Finnish, but we will soon translate it in English. But you can see I'm just scrolling it down that, hey, we have a crazy amount of text. And try to apply work with that kind of text wall and see what happens. Let's copy it and take it into action. This will take just a couple of minutes and it will show exactly why you don't need any kind of templates. Because if you create the CV in a Google Docs or Word, it will have a really nice structure and it's ATS friendly. So we have copied this one. Let's take a Gemini here and I did a bit prep work. I told Gemini that hey, we are creating ATS friendly CV. Here's the structure we want to use. And next we are going to give you the actual information that it can read it, put it together and create a proper template for us. Here it comes. It will be fast Text list. The practical it was wall of text we earlier checked. And here we have a proper CV done in couple of minutes. First, we have our placeholder where we have a full name and details. Just fill them there. We have a placeholders, then professional summary under it. And this is completely new. It's created exactly like we fed the information to AI. I love it. It's a bit generic, but you can add a personal touch. And that's why you always should use this as a template where you get the ideas. Make the AI to do the heavy lifting and then you will add your personal touch on it. Professional summary was there. Core skills magically jumped here to be seen. Work experience, then education, certificates, and then languages, all properly attached. And here you can see that we have a placeholders. Always go through the whole text and then fix them. That's it. Very easy and fast. Thank you and have a great evening. I'll send the link for a person to whom this video is for. See you next time.